Stop using hair gel. Stop using hair gel if it's not the right product for you. All right, and that's what we're talking about in today's video is hair gel and how I see so many people using it for the wrong hairstyles. Now, gel is something that has been around for a long, long time, and it used to be the go-to, product for styling hair, right? And I basically wet this hair down to make it look like I had hair gel in here. Hair gel, what it does is it really gives the hair a very slick back, wet look with a lot of hold, okay? And in a lot of situations, the gel makes the hair very, very dry. There's a lot of flaking. It really depends on the quality of the gel. There are some incredible gels out there, but you need to stop using a hair gel if you don't have the right hairstyle. I have a cream hair gel, Power Cream. And for all of you who know this product, know that Power Cream is like cement, okay? It's a gel, but in a cream form. Power Cream would work wonders on a hairstyle like this, right? Hair length, maybe down to here like this, okay? You see how long that is? And if you want to have something in your hair where you slick the hair back, you set it and forget it, you've got super, super curly hair, you've got wavy hair, and you want to put something in the hair and you don't want to do anything else to it, right? You want to set it and forget it and not have to worry about it. This is a great length for those types of products, all right? You don't want to use hair gel on a hairstyle like that. Okay, something that requires a lot of, movement. It has a lot of the flips to it. The hair texture is a bit more on the finer side. You want to have hair sticking up like this, right? That's where hairspray will get this to lock in, right? You can maybe use a spray gel where you spray this on and let it sit and the product just dries onto the hair. Then it becomes like it's not going to move, all right? But a hair gel really is kind of an old school product that's designed to give you a very slick type of look and have a lot of hold. Now there are different variations of gel, some are lighter than others. And if you've been using gel for many, many years and it's been working for you, then fine, don't change. But if you feel that your hair gets too crunchy, if it starts to flake a lot and the product makes your hair feel very dry, maybe it's time to look into something else like the cream gel I have, or maybe it's time for a clay or a light pomade or something a little bit different, right? Like my grooming paste, my Success grooming paste. There's a whole variety of products you can use, and that's where finding the right one is going to work best. But you could, and I've seen a lot of people just, I just use hair gel. And the problem is that it puts their hair in such a state where it looks like it's fairly wet. And then it's just like, you could almost in this day and age, you can tell if the person's using hair gel. It's like, I just ran to the pharmacy and spent like, $9 on like this random hair gel and threw it in my hair. It's like, so if you are into your hair, if you are into having a certain look, maybe it's time to start talking to the person who's cutting your hair and saying, hey, I don't know if or you can ask them, what's the best product for me? Is it a paste? Is it a pomade? Is it a cream gel? Is it a clay? What is it? What's going to work best for my hair type and my hairstyle? And listen to their suggestions, because chances are they're probably going to suggest something that would be best for your hair type. It really comes down to hair type. On very, very fine hair or thinning hair, stay far away from a hair gel, because making the hair look wet actually makes the hair look a bit thinner and it spreads out the hair more. So you're going to see more of the scalp. So you want to be very, very careful, all right? If your hair is really, really thick and you have it a bit longer and you're always slicking it back off your face, then a hair gel could possibly work, but just stop using hair gel for the wrong hairstyles, wrong hair types. And I'd love to know in the comments below if you are someone who does use hair gel, if you have success with it, if you're looking to change, if you're tired of how your hair looks, let me know in the comments below. So Also, before we go, don't forget, please check out my newest product, which is called Hat Head. Right here, Hat Head, okay? Hat Head comes in this amazing box, and it's the first ever sports and outdoor utility spray, right? So it's an insect repellent, UV protection, sweat and oil absorption, and conditioning of the hair and skin, and hair restyling. All of these in one spray. If you wear a hat all the time, if you're outdoors, whether you're hiking, any outdoor activity or sports activity, literally, anytime oh my gosh, the smell. It's such a refreshing, energizing, light fragrance. It's phenomenal, and it's vegan. It's all natural. There's no harsh chemicals or anything like that. Anything you're doing outdoors. I go hiking often. I take my dog out hiking. I play golf. I spray this all over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I even spray it on my dog. I'm telling you, the bugs don't even go near me. Even when I'm rubbing it through my head like this, believe it or not, even on my head, it does soak up the sweat. And it has the UV protection. I'm telling you, this is the first of its kind, and I'm so passionate about it. And it does help prevent hat head. You spray it in your hair, you take your hat off, run your fingers through it, and you be able to get some volume and restyle your hair very, very quickly. It's an amazing product, and I'm so passionate about it. Check it out. Use code YouTube20, YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and it's free shipping on orders over $50 after the discount code in the United States. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.